Hey guys, welcome back to Pathology Insights. Today we will be starting with the diagnostic criteria. Okay, multiple myeloma diagnostic criteria. Fine. So, as already I have told you, it was given by IMWG. We are following this IMWG criteria, that is International Myeloma Working Group. Okay, International Myeloma Working Group. Okay. So what does it say for multiple myeloma? For multiple myeloma, what we need as the diagnostic criteria? We need first clonal bone marrow plasma cells more than equal to 10%. Okay? Or biopsy proven what? Bony or extra medullary plasma cytoma. Okay, so this is the first criteria which should always be there, either more than 10% clonal plasma cells in the bone marrow, or a biopsy proven so be it solitary bony plasmacytoma or extramedullary plasmacytoma. Okay, along with that, what do we need? Along with that, we need and okay, what do we need else? Myeloma defining events. What we call myeloma defining events. Okay, what are they? First, evidence of end organ damage. Okay, evidence of end organ damage or slim. Okay, or slim. Okay, what are the evidence of end organ? How we get to know that end organ damage is going on? We get to know by the very famous crab criteria. Okay, so we can learn it as crab or slim criteria. Okay, like this also finally. Okay, so crab denotes basically the evidence of end organ damage. Okay, and we have slim criteria. This is the new part which has been added by the IMWG, International Myeloma Working Group. Okay, so what does this mnemonic means? How to learn that? Let's start writing. Inside crab is for hypercalcemia. Okay, hypercalcemia, which is, how do we know hypercalcemia? We see serum calcium, which should be more than 11 milligrams per deciliter. Then renal, R stands for renal insufficiency, which is denoted by serum creatinine more than 2 milligrams per deciliter. Then we have anemia, A for anemia, which is denoted by hemoglobin levels less than 10 grams per deciliter. Then we have bony lesions. What kind of bony lesions? Osteolytic type of bony lesions. Where should they be present? How many should be there? More than equal to 1 osteolytic bony lesions. How many? Okay, what type? Osteolytic. How many? More than equal to 1. Okay, then how you get to know the lytic lesions? You can seen on X-ray, CT, PET CT. Okay, anything. Okay, So this is the crab. If any one of these, C, R, or A, or B is present, what does it show? It shows end organ damage, okay, which is a criteria for myeloma defining event. Okay, when you get an evidence of end organ damage, you don't need anything else. You only need what you need: plasma cells more than 10%, along with any one of the crab criteria. Okay, or if you don't have the evidence of end organ damage, you can look for the slim criteria. So now any of the three of these. Okay, what does it include? Let's see. S is for 60%. Okay, 60%, that is 60 more than equal to 60% clonal, let's write it neatly, 60%, that is more than equal to 60% clonal plasma cells in bone marrow. Okay, then we have Li. Li is for light chain ratio. Which ratio? Involved free light chain to uninvolved free light chain ratio should be more than 100. Okay, should be more than 100. Along with what it should have? Involved free light chain. If we see the absolute value, okay, absolute value we are talking about, involved free light chain levels, okay, must be in the serum, must be more than equal to 100 milligrams per liter. Okay, involved free light chain levels in the serum must be more than 100 milligram per liter. Then what does M stand for? M is for more than 1. Okay, more than 1. What type of lesion? More than 1. Which should be? Each should be more than equal to 5 mm in size. Okay, 5 mm in size. Okay, more than 1 focal lesion. Okay, sorry, let's complete it. More than 1 focal lesion. Okay, more than 1 focal lesion, which should be more than 5 mm in size. Okay, which is seen on MRI. Okay, so this is the whole diagnostic criteria of multiple myeloma, which is given by IMWG. Okay, so what is must? So two things are must. As you can see, two things are must. Okay, the 2 stars, this one and this one. Okay, so first, what you need? Clonal bone marrow plasma cells, which should be more than equal to 10%, or a biopsy proven bony plasmacytoma or extramedullary plasmacytoma. Okay, then along with that, what you need? Another thing, one myeloma defining event should be there. Okay, so myeloma defining events can be evidence of end organ damage, which can be defined by CRAB. Okay, if any one of these is present, it is a evidence of end organ damage. It is included it is one of the myeloma defining events. Okay, then if CRAB is not there, you can see for slim criteria or slim. Okay, if either S or either Li or either M. Okay, any one of these is present, it will also be a myeloma defining event. Okay, this is a must know criteria that is always asked in the exams. Okay, so don't forget this. Thank you.